Welcome, here I've got Realme C25Y and let me show you how to turn on and off camera sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode. Let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Here at the third place we have camera sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When I move back to camera and take another picture, we can't hear sound. And of course when we tap to right corner settings once again, to camera sound button from the right we can turn it on and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.